Hello, my name is Jordi and I am a part of the online teacher training here at Flow State. And I joined because I always had this deep knowing that I wanted to serve, but I wanted to expand my knowledge of my own healing so that I could assist others in theirs. It's exactly what you get here at Flow State. You learn so many different tools and modalities to expand yourself so then you can help others. It's truly a mystery school, and I've had so many breakthroughs here, and it's really that these practices and this work works. It has allowed me to move through my blocks so that I can be a confident, amazing energy healer out into the world. And whether you're doing it just for yourself in the beginning or you're ready to dive in as a teacher, it's all interconnected because people start to be attracted to your amazing energy just from all of the beautiful practices we learn. I'm having so much fun with it as I'm now leading full moon flows on a rooftop in LA, and my future is filled with so much more success as I'm building my brand now. I want to have my own retreats one day and calling in my own one-on-one clients. I'm so grateful for the friendships and the community that I'm a part of here at Flow State. All of my love.
Hi everybody. I just wanted to take a moment to do an appreciation for my yoga teacher, Dashama. I started my yoga teacher training last year in August. It was supposed to be in person in Hawaii, but due to obvious circumstances, it was shifted to an online course. And it's been amazing. I love it so much. It's such a well-rounded school, and I'm so happy universe led me to it. We've discussed not only yoga and yoga poses, but also plant medicine, shamanism, different meditations, breath work, and just so many other topics. It's so deep, so amazing, and I'm so grateful that you created this space where other like-minded souls can come and discuss these topics and just elevate and grow. It feels like family, really, when I come to my online class on Wednesdays. It's just like yeah, you're meeting your soul family each week. So I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.